Now what we're going to do now is we're going to add radians to our unit circle. So what we'll have to do is go around and convert all of these degree measurements from degrees to radians. Now, I'll help you with the first quadrant, and then you can check your answers for the other quadrants with the completed unit circle in the notes keys. Now, all of these are going to be doing degrees to radians, so we're going to be timesing by the 1 pi over 180 degrees. Okay, so let's start with 0 degrees. So I'd do 0 times pi over 180 degrees. Degrees cancel. 0 pi over 180, well, anything times 0 is still just 0. And 0 divided by anything is also 0. So this is still going to be 0 radians. Okay, now let's do 30. 30 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. Get rid of your degrees, multiply straight across, 30 pi over 180. Let's start by reducing by 10. Now I can reduce by 3, and I end up with pi sixths radians. Okay. Now let's do 45. I'm going to make sure when you're talking about different angles that you make sure you're clear if you're talking about degrees or radians. Okay. So now we're going to do 45 degrees. So I'm going to times that by pi over 180 degrees. The degrees symbols reduce, so I have 45 pi over 180. Let's start by reducing by 9. So 5 pi over 20. Looks like I can reduce by 4 after that, so I end up with pi fourths. Okay, let's do 60. 60 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. So 60 pi over 180. Let's start by reducing by 10. That's the easy one. And then I can reduce by 6. Okay. All right, and let's do one more. We'll do the 90. So 90 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. So 90 pi over 180, reduced by 10, then reduced by 9. All right. Go ahead and finish out the unit circle and check your answer with the completed notes key on Canvas.